Hello, Jutta family. We are at the lake. This is the part where there is a kind of swamp because we are going to release Marina. Yannis called it Marina. He found this bird away from the lake in the middle of the road, too weak to fly. He picked it up very, very easily, which means he had no strength, nothing whatsoever. He looked up, what its needs were. He phoned up a wildlife sanctuary for advice. He was told to feed fish and that this bird actually migrates here from other countries in Europe. He arrives in September, he goes away in March. So obviously it seems to us that he came a long way and he was just too weak. Hence it was so easy for Yannis to get it. So he's been feeding it for a few days. The bird looks a lot more alert, a lot stronger. So we think it's time. We found it away from the lake, but we know it lives in lakes and it feeds in lakes. So we are releasing it at the lake because we think that's where Marina was making its way here. Excuse the shaky camera because we are walking in swamp, so the feet goes in with the water. It's very peaceful here. You can see why they come here. It's a beautiful area, very beautiful, no houses, nothing. This is a man-made lake. Yannis was reading that when these birds couple up, the wife, if you like, will carry the male on his wings when it's too old and too weak, and will remain together for life. So you can see it has strength. It's behaving more like a wild bird. Marina, good life, my darling. Have a blessed life.
Adesso uscirà.
Now let's see if we'll make his way by himself. Going, yay! Well done, Marina. Happy life. Get your fish. Get your partner.
Non può camminare? Non può volare?
No, sta felice qui.
Non può volare però. Forse è piccolo?
Sta felice qui. Vede, nada bene.
Perché esce fuori? È piccolo, forse non può volare ancora.
So Marina is inspecting its surroundings. I think we will come back tomorrow to see how it is. It's making itself bigger. He actually got used to IOANNHS over these last few days.
Lo porto a casa.
Okay, we're
Che
taking
non lo
it.
so se è pronto per
We're
volare, no?
taking it back
Lasciarlo solo.
home. So
Eh?
Ian is saying we're taking it back home because he's concerned.
Non è pronto ancora.
So we will call the wildlife people again and see what they say. Thank you very much, Jutta family. Bye bye for now.